Welcome to today's beautiful book. This is Benjamin Zephaniah's Nature Trail, and it's illustrated by Nila Aye. So Benjamin Zephaniah has been writing books and poems for a long time. I remember studying some of his stories and poems when I was in school, which was a little while ago now. And he just continues to create wonderful, wonderful pieces of literature. So this is one of his latest ones, and it ties in perfectly with our mini beast topic. So it's called Nature Trail, and on the back, on the blurb, it says, "At the bottom of my garden, there's a hedgehog and a frog, and a lot of creepy crawlies living underneath a log. The world around you is full of wonder. Why not step outside and take a closer look?" Okay, let's get started. Oh, look at all those mini beasts. Here we go. At the bottom of my garden, have a good look at all the beautiful pictures each time and see what you can see. At the bottom of my garden, there's a hedgehog and a frog, and a lot of creepy crawlies living underneath a log. There's a baby daddy longlegs and an easygoing snail, and a family of woodlice. All are on my nature trail. Oh, look at that, so cute. There really is a wonderful world just outside. There are caterpillars waiting for their time to come to fly. There are worms turning the earth over as ladybirds fly by. What do caterpillars turn into? I think you know. Oh, what's going on here? A party. Birds will visit, cats will visit, but they always choose their time. Look at that. What can you spot? And I've even seen a fox visit this wild garden of mine. Ooh, can you see the fox? Squirrels come to nick my nuts, cheeky, and busy bees come buzzing. Bzz, 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 bzz. Look how cute. And when the night time comes, sometimes some dragonflies come humming. Ooh, look at that, bedtime. My garden mice are very shy, and I've seen bats that growl. And in my garden I have seen a very wise old owl. Ooh, there's that wise old owl. My garden is a lively place. There's always something happening. What can you see going on? And there's this constant search for food, and then there's all that's flowering. What can you see flowering? What can you see flowering in this book? What can you see flowering outside right now? When you have a garden, you will never be alone. Look at all those different types of garden. Excuse me. You can have little gardens, big gardens, inside gardens, outside gardens. And I believe we all deserve a garden of our own. And of course we can share gardens as well. Such a beautiful book. I hope you enjoyed it.